What to do if you suddenly get rich. 15 essential steps. It's rare, but sometimes people suddenly come into a large amount of money, whether through inheritance, winning the lottery, or another unexpected windfall. However, without a plan, this sudden wealth can vanish just as quickly as it arrived. In fact, over 70% of lottery winners go broke within 3 to 4 years. The reason? They aren't prepared for this financial shift. And without the right mindset, the money becomes a burden rather than a blessing. That's why having a strategy is crucial. Here are 15 things you must do if you suddenly find yourself rich. 1. Keep it quiet. Your first instinct might be to shout the news from the rooftops, but resist the urge. Privacy is your top priority. The fewer people who know, the better. You'll avoid the flood of requests for loans or handouts, which can quickly become overwhelming. Timing is key. Tell people only when it's absolutely necessary. 2. Clear your debts. Before anything else, use the money to pay off any debts. Debt is a heavy burden that chips away at your financial freedom. Clear it all before making any new financial decisions. It might be tempting to splurge, but this step is essential for long-term security. 3. Don't quit your job yet. You may be itching to quit your job, but don't. Having a routine and staying productive is important. If you quit, you may quickly find yourself bored, which could lead to reckless spending. Continue working for now. The power to walk away when you choose will feel much more satisfying. 4. Let the money sit. Once the money hits your account, resist the temptation to spend. Let it sit for a few months, even up to 6. This gives you time to process the changes in your life and plan wisely. Your initial ideas on what to do with the money will likely change over time. 5. Invest in financial education. You didn't build this wealth, so you need to learn how to manage it properly. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance. Without financial literacy, you risk making costly mistakes or being taken advantage of. Start with the basics and make sure you understand how to grow and protect your wealth. 6. Stick with trusted advisors. If your inheritance came from a wealthy relative, chances are they had a good financial advisor. Stick with them. Don't be tempted to move your money to someone new. This is a common mistake that can lead to disaster. Trusted advisors are often selective and experienced, so keep your financial resources in safe hands. 7. Live comfortably, not extravagantly. It's okay to make your life more comfortable. Pay off your home, for example, but don't move to a luxury neighborhood or buy expensive cars. These purchases come with ongoing costs like property taxes and maintenance. Focus on improving your current life, not living beyond your means. 8. Avoid lending money or investing in friends' businesses. Sooner or later, people will find out about your wealth, and some will approach you for loans or investments in their business ventures. Don't give in. Lending money can ruin relationships, and investing in proven ideas can be a fast track to losing it all. 9. Don't start a business right away. It might be tempting to start a business, but take your time. 9 out of 10 businesses fail, and your newfound wealth doesn't guarantee success. Consult with your financial advisor before making any big moves and avoid risky ventures. 10. Prepare for the changes. Wealth attracts attention, both good and bad. Be prepared for people to approach you with lawsuits, scams, or emotional pleas for money. Having wealth solves some problems, but introduces new, often more complex ones. 11. Focus on your health. Now that you have financial security, it's time to focus on your physical and mental well-being. Schedule a full medical checkup and consider hiring professionals to help you with nutrition and fitness. Good health is the greatest asset you can enjoy, especially when you can afford to maintain it. 12. Follow the 5% rule. To ensure your money lasts, follow the 5% rule. Only spend 5% of your total wealth each year and invest the rest wisely. By doing this, your wealth will continue to grow, and you'll be able to enjoy it for years to come without depleting your resources. 13. Protect your children's future. Sudden wealth doesn't just impact you, it changes the lives of your children too. Set up trusts and structured allowances to protect the principal sum. This ensures they'll benefit from the wealth without wasting it or becoming dependent on it. 14. Stay faithful to your partner. Wealth brings temptations, but infidelity can be a costly mistake, emotionally and financially. Divorce settlements and child support can eat away at your fortune. Instead, use this money to strengthen family bonds and ensure stability. 15. Play it safe. Now that you're financially secure, don't risk it by making impulsive or reckless decisions. Avoid shady investments, risky ventures, or trying to double your money quickly. Your priority should be preserving your wealth and ensuring it benefits you and your family in the long run. Bonus tip: balance is key. As with anything in life, balance is essential. Sudden wealth can tip the scales, but if you manage it wisely, you'll be able to enjoy the fruits of your fortune without losing it. Remember, the law of averages suggests that what goes up must come down, so keep your feet on the ground. Now, we're curious. Do you know anyone who has blown through a fortune and ended up broke? Share their story in the comments below so others can learn from their mistakes. If you've made it this far, you're part of our community. Type the word balance in the comments to show you're a true supporter of our mission. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on wealth and success. See you next time.